Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make ramen fancy. First, select a premium instant ramen or prepare a homemade broth. Next, gather your fresh ingredients like crisp vegetables and a protein. Finally, assemble your bowl with care, focusing on presentation and flavor balance. This simple approach transforms a basic meal into a gourmet experience, perfect for any day. To truly elevate your ramen, focus on enhancing the broth. A spoonful of white miso paste or a dash of quality soy sauce can add incredible umami. Don't forget a drizzle of chili oil for a kick or sesame oil for a nutty aroma. Fresh herbs like chopped scallions or cilantro provide a vibrant finish, making each bite more complex and satisfying.
Hey everyone, if you're enjoying these tips on making ramen fancy, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. And on another note, if your car could use a little refresh, grab a Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener. Life's too short for a stinky car, right? You can find the link for that and other awesome deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Proteins are key to a satisfying fancy ramen. A classic soft-boiled egg with its jammy yolk is a must-try. For meat lovers, thinly sliced, tender pork belly brings incredible flavor and texture. If you prefer a plant-based option, pan-seared or fried tofu cubes absorb flavors beautifully. Each protein choice adds a unique dimension to your bowl. Adding a variety of vegetables not only boosts nutrition, but also enhances the visual appeal and texture of your ramen. Quickly wilted spinach or bok choy brings a fresh, green element. Sautéed shiitake or cremini mushrooms introduce an earthy, savory note. For a pop of color and sweetness, consider adding a few corn kernels or some rehydrated seaweed. These additions make your ramen truly gourmet.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.